Should I buy or sell Nvidia? The report for Nvidia was first published on our website Friday, November 25, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 23, 2022, our system ranks Nvidia as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.762. In this period the stock has not performed as our systems expected and actually had a loss of -1.44% so far. This is an average return of -0.72% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, "Red day on Friday for Nvidia stock after losing 1.44%. The Nvidia stock price fell by -1.44% on the last day, Friday, November 25, 2022, from $165.07 to $162.70. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 1.95% from a day low at $161.72 to a day high of $164.87. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 3.5% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -21 million shares and in total, 17 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.73 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $334.12, and the lowest price was $108.13. Right now the price is 51.3%, or $171.42, below 52-week high and 53.04%, or $183.77, below all-time high November 22, 2021 where the price hit $346.47. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $168.68 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 9.77% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -19.59% and 13.8%. The 12-month trend indicates a -51.80% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -72.89% and -50.50%. This equals a price between $44.12 and $80.54 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Needham set price target to 200. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Raymond James set price target to 190. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Susquehanna set price target to 185. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Morgan Stanley set price target to 175. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Wedbush set price target to 175. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $158.45 and $137.98. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -2.58%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 30 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $139.37 and $132.61. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $139.37. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $132.61 and $131.76. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.15 between high and low, or 1.95%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.78%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 34.00. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Nvidia meets first resistance at $164.35. If you do not hold Nvidia shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Nvidia finds first level of support at $139.37, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 21, 2022, Huang Zhen HSUN made an inside sell of 229,603 of employee stock option, right to buy. On November 21, 2022, Huang Zhen HSUN made an inside buy of 229,603 of common stock. On November 21, 2022, Dabri John made an inside sell of 495 of common. On November 18, 2022, Hudson Dawn E made an inside sell of 9,300 of common stock. On October 13, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 87,500 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -18.841. In total, the insiders bought 2,847,382 and sold 4,323,866 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $155.59, minus 4.37%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 7 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Nvidia stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 28th, we expect Nvidia to open up $0.397 and start trading at $163.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to